Good morning, good morning. Good morning, traders. It's the heater today. What's up? What's up, cool? Today's the heater. Big news, 8:30. I came early. I actually just woke up from a nap. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Markets are at interesting spots. Bitcoin, it looks pretty interesting for a short. I'm thinking a pump first and then a dump. It looks like... Let's have a look at these markets, man. I might actually short Bitcoin on futures during this pump. I might do it. YM also looks pretty good. It looks like YM fucking just dumped like crazy yesterday, huh? YM also looks pretty good for a short on a pump. If they pump it up here, 84 around. They've refailed the 4 hour. They've refailed the 4 hour. Let's just remove these. YM might be good on a pump. They might even come and test the top of this. Who knows how crazy this pump's gonna be. The top of this is still not tested. They did test that on the way down, but they did fail this internal 4 hour. And then it closes below. So like a pump into this area up here will be pretty good, man. I think for a nice fucking fat short. A nice fat short, man. Let's have a look at all the markets here, man. Yes. ES held. So this is still the level that they're failing. Doesn't look as good as YM. YM is still the winner right now. Let's see if they could continue this. They've already failed the 1 minute, but this could get a little crazy during the news. NQ, same kind of level on NQ. They're still failing this. See, holding the bottom. All right. Just fucking remove this shit. Just want to remove this. Get this nice and cleaned up here. Russell pushing the highs. This is the 4 hour failure spot too for the Russell, right? I'm thinking it's an all market dump today, man. It could be an all market dump today. Everything dumps, I think, today. YM and Russell I like. CL at the spot too to dump. Wow. Yeah, I think I think it's gonna go a little crazy at the dump or at the news. I think that's why in 10 minutes. So I think Russell takes liquidity first. Russell held this too, this 4 hour. So they could they could not fail that. Like they could pump it first. Russell actually looks good to gain because they held this. They held this and then they reachieved that. So actually this does not look good on Russell. They held this. My bad. My bad. Let's check YM again. Let's fucking just woke up. YM looks the best for short because they failed this 4 hour at the top. So we'll see how high this pump goes, but I think I'm going to be shorting YM on the pump. Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin one more time. Bitcoin also they could pump a bit, take liquidity. I think it's going to be a nice liquidity grab here on Bitcoin, and then a failure into this level. Oh my god, you stupid fucking line, dude. You know why can't I just draw? I can't draw lines sometimes. It's so stupid, man. There. I think they pump into that level and then fucking and then it's a destroyer failure down to here. We're waiting for the pump. YM and Bitcoin is the two that we're going to be looking at mostly. So YM, there's just a couple levels on YM. The top here has not been tested, and then this top of this inside range has not been tested. It's actually a little bit lower than that. It's like there, above that, in this range, I think. Something like that. It says long way to go down. Still, they're stopping this in the middle of nowhere. Look at YM. They're just stopping in the middle of nowhere. You know what I mean? I don't think so. I don't think so, man. I don't think this is gonna gain. I think it's gonna dump like crazy. Let's get ready to sell. Yeah, Russell, it's pretty standard for Russell, man, to dump after a sweep. But Russell looks like they want to take the highs. So might get into Russell too. I just need to wait. Russell's already losing the 1 minute here, but I'm not buying it yet. Russell looks like they want to at least challenge up here first, and maybe even take the highs. We got 7 minutes until the news. Should be a wild one. Again, I'm more liking YM than anything else. Looks pretty good for me. I do like the Bitcoin short too. How are you guys? I hope everybody's well. I think we're gonna boost the Discord server, so we'll get a nice emblem up there at the top, and we'll have upgraded audio in there. And when we start doing live streams in there, we're gonna start promoting the Discord server, right? Like this is it's gonna turn into some kind of paid thing eventually. So we're gonna try to grow it, man. I just don't know how. If you guys have any ideas on how to fucking grow this channel and Discord server, then let me know, because it's not my forte. My buddy Mike is in marketing, so I think I'm gonna talk to him about it and see what we need to do. Once we get the automated trading bot going, we'll probably just use money from that to just start advertising everything. Pumping on Russell. Looks like they're gonna sweep the inner range here. YM pumping too. All markets really pump right now. I think this is like a pump into a big dump though. Depends that news. They did get lower than this, right? Yeah, they had 4-hour closes below. So this area looks good to sell, man. Starting at 80 at 54.87. A little bit higher. This is the first spot of it though, really. Russell, new local high. Yes, new local high. $47 seconds until the news. Just gonna get 2 in right now. Woohoo! Oh, come on.
Order filled.
I tried to sell it at the bottom and I ended up selling it at break even. That's the worst. It was up 200 and something dollars.
Order filled.
This dumps, man.
Order filled.
This account might explode. I don't know what exactly is the my limit on the day or whatever. If it does, I'll just open it. I'll just go to the next account.
Order filled.
News is out for sure somewhere. That thing was the news. Regardless, man, it was at a fucking perfect level to short. You know what I mean? And it blasted to new lows, so it already completed the move. So, you know, if it goes down again, this is going to new lows again. And lower than that, it's going to this. It's going down here. Yeah. We'll see. It could still test up here though too, so that's kind of the shitty part. Bitcoin short looking good, man. On any kind of retest for Bitcoin, short the shit out of that, man. They've already done it. They've already did the retest. This is a good area for longer term shorts. Held the 1 minute. Let's see, yes. What'd you do? Failed the 1 minute. Failing the 4 hour internally. Gained the external, or the external 4 hours. So this is kind of stuck in the middle. That's why I don't like this one. Thank you. Failed the 4 hour, gained the 4 hour. Again, kind of stuck in the middle here. They held this so they really could, and they're gaining this another internal 4 hours, so they really could pump this to new highs. YM looks the most dumpy out of them all.
field.
These guys look like they want to try to get to the top, to the upper range here. No, I didn't get any short fills on BTC. They did it though already. They did do it. This you can see on the 5 minute. Right here. They dumped it and then pumped it back up. This is a good area to short, man. Really. Here's the 1 minute refill. 1 minute failure. Short. Just dump it, YM. It's time, bro. I can't believe I had those two contracts I had was up $280, and I tried to sell it and I got minus $8. Brutal, yeah. I should have had some PTs, like some profit targets in. I should do that when we're trading the news like that. We're gonna take 2 on the sweep of this. This should dump. This should dump to like new lows, man. Problem is that this candle already dumped to new lows, so they've already completed. You know, they completed the run already. But they still didn't test shit down here. This is still just no man's land. All market dump, boys. I think it's an all market dump. Heads up. I think shit's gonna hit the fan today. Not maybe hit the fan, but we're ending the day down here on YM anyway. I could be wrong though. Like they did short that they already did the move that I was looking for. Here to down here. Well, we got about 40 minutes until the market open. If you guys have any charts you want me to look at, just let me know. Yeah, man. This at this point, this kind of looks like it wants higher, man. It sucks. You know, they held the 5-minute here, and there are still levels to test to the upside. So I think I'm closing this position. That's fucking unfortunate, man. I can't believe I come to this market and I had a position that was up $250 or $280, and I'm down 48. Fuck, man. This Bitcoin looks like a good short right now. I think we take a little stab on Bitcoin here.
Order filled.
I don't know what these points are worth, man. So I shouldn't take that big of a position, right? What's the micro Bitcoin points worth? Russell didn't really fail anything. Did any of these fucking things fail anything? They just held, eh? Everybody just held. Just a giant dump and then hold. Well, I'm gonna go for a quick smoke and then we're gonna reassess the situation. Be back. YM looks like it wants to take the top here. See if it does. YM still looks like the best for me. "30 minutes until the open." There goes Bitcoin a little bit dumpy. Could have made a bigger position. This I honestly just want to hold this until the bottom. Mm-hmm.
This is where your story begins. I'm sorry I won't be there to see it, but I don't want you to be sad that I'm gone. I want you to be amazed that any of us ever had a chance
Comes the push on YM. Good thing I got out of that position, man. So this level up here looks decent. Something like that. In there. Should really watch Russell too on the sweep. On the sweep of this for a failure. Coming up on Russell for a sweep. They didn't sweep it yet. That was a perfect 4-hour test, man, that they did. So it's gonna be here. Here's the sweep. Around 30.70. Damn, it's been an hour already. Probably look to add a little bit to this Bitcoin short too. And I still want to short the YM in this range. But probably a little bit higher now. $148. The video intel feed is working now, so make sure you guys check these guys out, man. These guys, the videos that will be going in here are all from like pretty good guys that have a pretty good grasp on the macro picture, you know. So I would check them out. There's just really one more channel I need to work on, is the signals review channel. Bunch more signals went in there today. Oh, actually, did I do the reviews today? Oh no, I didn't. I could do that too. Bitcoin short working out at the first PT spot. I'm just gonna skip it. I'm just gonna let this one go, I think, for a bit. I honestly want this like down here, man. You know, I want it down there. I only got two. I should have, that position should have been triple this big. Just have another look at Bitcoin on the 4 hour here. Man, this looks like it's going to here, dude. New 4 hour lows, I think. New 4 hour swing lows. Why I'm really coiling up here. We'll know soon. BDP, he makes an appearance. Hey BDP, I made something for you, because you said you're sick of looking at charts and looking for charts. I have a whole system in here. You don't have to look anymore. Just go into signals. Just go into signals here, and it'll show you every one of these ones have gained the weekly. There's lots. AI, brother. We're in a new age. We don't have to look that much around for charts. So you can just go into signals and look around for. They're all pretty good. They're all either weekly gains or weekly continuations. I like this YM short. They already this news fulfilled the bottom half of it though, or this part of it. So this failure to gain this, I think, is going to be the next thing. So I like it short up there. I had 2 contracts short here before the news. I tried to sell it, and I sold it right here. I tried to market sell. It didn't work. I should have had a fucking, I should have had a fucking PT in there. Stupid. I looked at my panel and it was up $280. 2 contracts. Nice. You're long ES from down here. Wow. That's a good shot. From what? From yesterday? I think we go to new highs, but then I'm a little bit worried after the new highs. And honestly, YM just looks like it wants to dump now. You know? Oops. I like this internal range to dump. Look where they're stopping this, middle of nowhere. Nah, it's gotta go down a little bit more, man. Didn't even test the top of this. All right, why I'm breaking out to the upside. That's what I thought. Glad I got out of that position. From this morning, yeah. Yeah, but make sure you check out the Discord. There's lots of good stuff in the signals, man. I have a market-wide screener in the works, and I have been talking to the we're trying to build the automated trading bot, so we have been talking to it and training it up a bit. I got it to watch all my training videos. We got to think of a way to like start promoting this stream though, man. I can't believe there's how little people come for like to someone who knows what's going on. You know what I mean? It's ridiculous. How do these other jokers get like a whole bunch of people on their content? Look at these moves, man. You're almost at PT BDP. I do have a Bitcoin short open, just a small one. I wasn't sure about the contract size on this thing, so I only took 2. I wasn't sure about the point value. So YM losing the 1 minute here. They haven't lost it yet, but they're close. Let's see if they can push one more push. I still think these markets dump. Okay, YM looks like they're trying to lose the 1 now. They have 45 seconds. is it a short now? I think it is, man. Holding on to the 5 there. No, not yet. How about Russell? Looks like there's some action going on over in the Russ land. Yeah, they've lost the 1 minute. I think we'll take a couple short on Russell.
Order filled.
Yeah, this is untested. Yeah, this is good enough for a short. Tensions on Russell now.
Order filled.
I did like that YM short though too. Oh, they made new highs.
Order filled. Order filled.
This might be pretty tight stop on Russell and just get stopped out. I should just put this over here so you're not getting flicked around all the time, guys. Here's the open. Jesus, Russell blasted.
Order filled.
I'm short YM. Short Russell too, but the Russell trade doesn't look the greatest. I think I'm going to close out of that Russell trade. I'll be looking to add more to the YM. Actually, I'm going to leave Russell. Just take a few off.
Order filled. Order filled.
YM shorts banging, but I only got 2, man. Fuck, man. I should have just been paying more attention. Russell shorts banging. YM shorts banging. We be short, boys. YM, I'm gonna take one off here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go back to Russell here. Take a few more off. 2.
Order filled.
I'd like to reshort YM if I could. I just don't think I'm gonna have the opportunity to. I don't think they'll pump it up that high. Maybe. Fuck, man. I should have had a bigger position here, man. This is ridiculous. Looking at Russell again now. Almost back to entry. And they're saving the 5. That's rough. They're saving the 5. I'm closing this.
Order filled.
Basically break even today, boys. I still have about $100 in open shorts. I'm gonna reshort YM here, I think. Yeah.
Order filled.
I wish I could get some more.
Order
Okay,
filled.
5 short YM.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right.
Order filled.
We be short YM. Full boat, basically. Let's make a new 4-hour low. Be looking to add a little bit more to this. If they do, I'll short this whole range. Russell, I lost a little bit. I basically broke even on that Russell trade. New 4-hour low. Come on, man. Let's do it. Just dump it, man. What's going on, Slavic? Welcome back, brother. We've been making money today. You missed it.
Order filled.
Lightening the load here a little bit on YM. Still short on Bitcoin. Still short. The Russell got stopped out. Let me just look at the Russell one more time here. I really don't like that they saved this five minute. YM looks better. See, I'll add to it on a break of the new high here, or break of the local high.
Order filled.
Okay, adding back into YM a little bit.
Order filled.
Say that's the full boat for me for my trading. I can't really add anymore. Yeah, I'm short on everything today.
Order filled.
Look at that Russell dump. Look at these fucking things dump, man. Wow. What did I say, boys? Remember? I bet it's an all market dump today. Yeah, I've had these markets pretty pegged lately.
Order filled.
So just lightening the load a little bit on YM, just like break even trades, probably most likely. Still 12 short YM, 2 short Bitcoin. Hey, YM looking to break the internal here. Let's see if they can break it. If they break this, it's like we're looking at new lows. Yeah. Look out below. Let's see if we can have a 1 minute close below that. Pretty picture perfect price action, man. Yeah, just taking one more off here. Still have 10 short and 10 short YM. This should go down to here, man. At least I think it's gonna go to new lows again. Should at least go down to here. Where did this stop? Fuck, nowhere. I don't know, man. I think this heads to new like 4-hour lows and beyond down here to this. Yeah, I think 200 points lower. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, 300 I have is the 4-hour swing. Taking one more off here. 8 left. Bitcoin coming back in for a re-add if anybody's interested. All market dump. Taking off 2 more on YM. 6 left. Stops getting moved to profit at this point with the 6 left. Whatever happens, happens. Plus 200 on the day. 318, about 350 open. I'm going to take one more just because. For 306 on the day. What do I have left? 4, yeah? 4. Okay, stops in profit on that. So that's gonna be it. We have 4 left. We're gonna take two more off soon, and then we'll have 2. And I will keep runners for this one. I swear to God, I'll keep runners for a new 4-hour low. We should just take 2 off now. 2 off now. Buy 2.
Order filled.
Okay. 404 on the day. Buy stop 2 for the stop. The runners are just going to be to 4-hour lows, but I think this is headed much lower. So I'm gonna buy 2 here at the 4-hour low. Here. Right here. Yeah. That's the trade today, boys. I should have made way more money. I say that every day. This might get stopped out on the rest. It's all right. We made our money. I'm moving the Bitcoin trade into stopping a profit too. I'm trading Bitcoin futures. This Bitcoin one might get stopped out too. I just don't want to take a stop on this stupid Bitcoin trade. So, not bad. 404 after being down $50 or whatever. Not bad. Not the greatest though, really. I should have done better today, especially because we had this YM trade pegged, man. I was in the trade before the fucking dump, and I tried to sell it, and I ended up making negative $8. I saw those 2 contracts were worth $300. Yeah, it's too bad. So close. So close to having an extra $200 on there. That would have been a great day, man. $600 it would have been. That would have been good. Can't complain making $600 in a matter of fucking 20 minutes. You know? Really. So I'm probably not trading anymore today, guys. If you guys have any questions, any of the new people here have any questions about anything, now is the time to ask about price action. I can show it to you and draw it out on the chart. I'm gonna go for a quick cigarette break. See if these, I don't want to watch these things get stopped out. It hurts me a little bit. But quick smoke, yeah, you got it. Quick smoke, and then yeah, got about $100 of open profit right now. That should get bigger though. I think we're gonna end the day today big, because this Bitcoin trade, I don't even have a PT. I'm just gonna let the exchange close it. I'm just gonna hold it for the day. Be right back, guys. Quick smoke. think I lost the stream. Definitely lost the music. What happened to my sound card, man? Stream running? Okay, good. Yeah. I'm really not sure. Can you guys can still hear me, yeah? I don't know what the fuck happened there. Okay. Weird. Can you but the face cam not working? Yeah, I know. I don't know what happened. Yeah, I'm sorry, you guys just you don't get me. You don't get my face anymore for the rest of the stream. Just a chair. Yeah, YM's about to die. Bitcoin dumping too. We got another 100 total profits today is, sorry, I was wrong. It's 534 plus an open 150. Let's go. It's just the magical chair talking today. We should close all this, man, really, and just take our win of $600. Oh no, sorry, it is 404. 404 plus 150 open. Take it home. Yeah, we probably should. Closing all positions.
Order filled.
554 today. Not bad. Not bad, bro. Sorry about the face cam, guys. I don't know what the fuck happened. We totally lost the... Let's check Nifty. Yeah, we will in a minute. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck happened here, man, but I lost the face cam. I think there's something wrong with my USB hub because it keeps, like, you know, cutting out, and then everything that's connected USB just fucking takes a shit. So, don't switch. You just get the chair. This is hilarious. Just gonna post the receipts here today, like we do every day. Make sure you guys post your trade results in the receipts page, trade results page. $554. Ding ding. Every day this week, dude. It's been good. Look at these days, man. Look at since the start of August. $200, $500, $600, $300, $500, $500, you know, 550 actually, 550, you know, fuck me, man. Just killing it in here. Yeah. The next villa I buy is going to not be for rental. It's going to be for me. We're going to build the mansion. You know what I mean? I have the team already. Like, I have the construction workers. I just need to buy the land and then put them to work. Did YM continue to dump? Yeah, they're pumping. This is a good place to exit the positions anyway, man. I'm gonna fucking hold these all day. Yeah. So, does anybody have any questions while the magical chair talks to you today? Fucking killed it in here again. I don't know what else we can do. Anybody have any ideas how to grow the fucking stream? Look at this dump, man. Dump it, man. Dump it. I told you. This is going to new lows, man. Dump it. Oh my god, Bitcoin. You're going to 45 and then that's going to be the low. 49 I think is going to be the absolute low. Oh my god, Bitcoin. Nifty. Nifty. Ooh, this looks like a short also on Nifty. Let's just clear this off. Yeah, it's a bit too much going on around here for the old Nifty. Really good 4-hour failure here though. Well, they did touch this though. Is there a better chart to look at, man? Like this one's kind of choppy. Is it Nifty one bang? Let's clear this off, man. Oh, all right. Really, this. They're holding this, yeah. Held this. They're holding this. Let's look at the weekly here for a sec, here, brother. Oh, they're failing the weekly continuation down. Second test on it. Holding this weekly. Closed the weekly above this. Held it. Held this daily swing to the downside too. holding this also. This is really what they're holding right here. So as long as they keep holding that, this will continue to go up. We should see this, the liquidity above there, and we should see this. Really, it's this. Yeah. As long as they keep holding that. Is that the monthly move? Yeah, it's the monthly move that made this high. So as long as they hold above that, they've already had monthly closes above it. So as long as they keep holding above that, we should see them take the monthly liquidity up here. You know, this is there's a case to be made that this is just going to all-time high, right? Because they had monthly closes above and they held, right? They held this big monthly swing. This is the monthly, really big time frame, right? But they held the monthly swing and they had monthly closes above. So, you know, just basic concept, they're probably going to all-time highs again because they held this. As long as they keep holding this, we're probably going to continue higher. Next step is the liquidity here and that there. So they're not really in a place to dump it yet. I would look for this liquidity here and this area up here. Can I just label this lick? So that's the liquidity. And then this is the more important level that I would be looking at. It's kind of how I would chart it. As long as they keep holding above that, I think you're sailing until there. Now they'll obviously, when they take this weekly liquidity, there'll obviously be a pullback. So they might pump it like this and then pull it back wherever the daily liquidity is inside there. You can see where the daily is right here. So they might take this liquidity, take this daily liquidity, and then pump it and then dump it back down and then hold this swing, something like that. Kind of important that they keep holding above that though. You want them to keep holding this. They are having kind of a daily failure here. Not really though. This isn't really a daily failure. I know some people might construe this as a daily failure because they're failing this, but this was all containment inside, right? So this isn't the failure. This isn't the swing failure. Swing failure is way down here. At least that's how I read it. We made it to the 4-hour lows here in YM. New daily low just now would have worked. I cheated myself out of $100 again every day almost. Yeah. Yeah, that was the new. That's the daily. That was the new low. Yeah, man. Decent long coming up in YM. If they once they bring it back down to here, this is a decent long opportunity. But now it's like nothing land until that. It probably won't trade YM on Monday. I like how I'm doing it these days. Just look at all the indices and just pick whatever one looks the best and trade that one. Even had a trade on Bitcoin today. Let's go. Sorry that the cam stopped working, guys. I don't know if I can refresh this or not. No.
This is where your story begins. I'm sorry I won't be there to see it, but I don't want you to be sad. I want you to be amazed that any of us ever had a chance to be here at all. Good luck.
Yeah, I don't know. I'd need to restart the stream to fix the camera. So that's not happening. So I guess it's gonna be it for right now. Was there anything else that you guys want me to look at? Yeah, there's gonna be a massive dump today. I told you guys we can all mark it down. I guess what I can do while I'm here is just go over the. I can show you guys the inside of the Discord a little bit more. It's pretty cool, man. So I have, before it goes to signals, I have this earnings review. So it just presents me things that moved a lot in earnings, and then I can just quickly look through it. And then if I see something good, I post it for you guys. These are weekly charts, so I can just have like a quick look. It's the second test, not near the weekly. No. You know what I mean? No. So quick. This might be okay for a weekly continuation down, but nah, I don't think so. Not good enough to post. No. Second test on a weekly. No. This one looks okay. So now I would open this up in TradingView and have a look on the weekly. So it's still a little manual, you know what I mean? Manual. Yeah, this looks okay. You know, giant weekly gain retests. A little late to the party, but it still looks okay. Yeah, I still have to do this a little Emmanuel, but it's not too bad. It only takes a few minutes to do. So like you saw how many charts I just went through there, and it gives me those charts and it gives it to me graded. So like they're already like the best of the best, and they look, it only gets to give me 50. So it only gets to give me 50 charts. So this is going to get sent to signals. Long, add the chart. Weekly gain retest. Little late to the party. But still looks good. So now I just hit submit, and then that gets sent over to the signals. So yeah, I'll just continue to look through these. This one, I'll have a look at this one actually too. Weekly liquidity sweep. Lost the weekly. Oh, I don't like that. Nah. Might be something a little bit better. Let's have a look at this one. Meta down bad. I'll have a look at those in a minute. This one looks okay. Nah, not really. Let's look at this one. This one looks okay. This is at the monthly continuation spot. Yeah. After taking monthly liquidity, though, it's a bit rough. Might be okay for a trade. Yeah, I don't know, man. They just took liquidity. Second test on this too. I'm not going to put that out. What else we got here? What else we got here, man? This one kind of looks interesting. Let's have a look at this. Weekly continuation spot. This one doesn't look too bad. Yeah, this one doesn't look too bad. Weekly continuation. Gotta get the shortcut keys going here. I think it's Control Alt S. Yeah. All right. What else we got here? Oh, this one looks okay too. You see, there's a whole bunch, man, that are in here, man, that just look good. If you guys trade stocks, like I don't know, you know. This one's a bit risky, obviously, but it's still worth it. Still worth a shot, right? Maybe a small shot. What else we got here? Anything else worth telling you guys about? Oh, this one looks good. Yeah, this one looks all right. I'd give this one a shot for sure. So all these are going into signals in Discord. All the ones that you're seeing here. So if any of you guys are interested, just pop into the signals Discord. They'll all be there. Everything in Discord is just weekly on the weekly level. In the signals channel right now, it's just like weekly continuations or weekly gain retests. So a little late to the party on that. Or even just weekly gains I put in there too, so you can kind of get it on your watch list. Like this one is gained the weekly at this point. That one would be decent on a retest on this weekly liquidity sweep. Nothing too much to talk about there. Nothing there. Let's just have a look at this one. Onion made new lows, yeah. It's nothing to see. Nothing to see here. It's another weekly failure on that guy. I like to look at the ones that have made new lows too, or have had like significant downturns, because usually they're dumping to a level, right? So like it's if they're approaching, well, not this one. This one doesn't have anything on the downside, but usually they're dumping into a level, so it's good to just pay attention to the ones that have dumped a lot, like this one for example, coming into weekly support down here. So you know, like you should have this on your watch list, you know, or just throw an order in there somewhere. This one's at a good spot, I mean, basically right now. They took the weekly liquidity from underneath there. That's kind of where you want to look to enter, you know. Yeah, I just don't pay attention to that shit. I don't care. I want it to dump 40% right into an untested level. Okay, that's it. This one gained, but it gained a while ago, so yeah. Yeah, like this one, you'd wait for a 4 hour or some kind of small time frame gain, right? But to have levels like that and have a list of charts that you can just peruse through, you know, add all those charts to your trading view list, and then just like quickly go through them like this, you know, next, like this. You can just go through them, add them all to your thing, and then every day just go through them and see where they are at. So yeah, so that's what I do for you guys. And then after I just clear this, I made this command where I can just clear, this. So I just clear this channel out, and then tomorrow it'll give me new ones. Or not tomorrow, but on Monday it'll give me new ones. Can't catch the knife. You might be able to. It depends. I didn't look at the smaller time frame, but there's probably something in there with a small time frame that you can put an order in. Look at it. You know, I barely even trade stocks. So like I'm doing this shit for you guys. You know what I mean? I barely even trade stocks. I mostly trade futures and crypto. So now all these new ones have just got entered into signals. Yeah. Nice format here, you know. It's real easy. Just copy the fucking ticker. Like stuff like this that have gained the weekly like that, you should just get this on your watch list and just keep an eye on it. Yeah, I'm gonna. It's coming, BDP. It's just like, you know, the problem is with the AI, you only get so much compute, right? Like my compute power is at 1%, remaining 1%. So yeah, I'll definitely be doing it for crypto too. It's coming. Right now, this is all based off earnings. So I don't have the main screener up yet. Like all this is just giving me, like, I have things going in here for earnings movers that's in the public channel, so it just gives you like it takes everything that had earnings, like 400 stocks, and then it grades them and then puts them in here for, it gives you guys the top 20 or whatever it is. I think it's 20 I set it for on a graded level that it thinks that it should put in here. And then for me, I said give me the top 50, and then I'll look through it and put it in and scan through it and put them into signals. So the other ones come to me in a private channel, and I scan them. So it's not fully automatic yet, and it's just based off earnings. So I'm still training this fucking thing on how to read a chart, you know. What's going on, Blind Snipes? How you doing over on Kick? Yeah, so I'm still training this thing on how to read a chart, but like it's coming, bro. Soon enough, it's gonna know what a weekly gain looks like, and I'm gonna put it out on the whole fucking planet of everything, and I'm gonna just say, I want to know everything that gained the weekly this week. You know what I mean? Just learning everything you can. Cool, man. Yeah, you should join the Discord. We have a lot of good information there for you, for people like you that are new. I was just showing it on screen here. This is our Discord channel. We're gonna boost this too, so this is gonna get boosted. But it's got signals in here. It's got training videos, a whole bunch of training videos, past live streams. I'll put it in the chat for you so you can find it. You can get to the Discord from there. You just need to verify yourself. So once you get into the Discord, there'll be you're not going to see all the channels. You'll just see the start here. So you just need to go in and then go to verify and then click this check mark. And then you'll be good. You'll see the rest of the channels. Paper trading for 2 months, yeah? Yeah, it's not bad, man. Yeah, YM is dumping, man. I told you, man. This should go down here. Yeah, it's good that you started paper trading, Blind Snipes. Sometimes it takes a little while to Nice, Jay. Yeah, man, we killed it in here today. I made 550. I should have made more. I was short on Russell, on Bitcoin, and on YM. Nice. 610 times 10. Let's fucking go, bro. That's awesome, man. Let's go. Fuck yeah. That's so good. Sorry about my camera here today, guys. My camera fucked up. I don't know what the hell happened. Yeah, man. So was YM. Look at the YM setup too. The YM I think was even more perfect, but yeah, they both were. What do I think about ETH? Yeah, I have it in my portfolio. I don't really trade it too much. Usually when I trade crypto, it's just Bitcoin that I trade. You're an engineer building a strategy. Yeah, it's all right. Good luck with that. You should just learn price action, man. You shouldn't worry about building a strategy if you've only been trading for 2 months, you know? Just you need to find somebody else's strategy and and figure out what you're doing. Like 2 months trading is nothing, right? See you tomorrow, cool. Take it easy, brother. Or tomorrow is Saturday, right? So is it? Oh no, never mind. Tomorrow, yeah. Tomorrow, Thursday. I don't even know what fucking day of the week it is anymore. My strategy is just price action, blind. There's no secret about it. It's the way to do it, you know what I mean? Like there's only one way to do this, and that's price action. You should really watch those videos, man. I'm telling you, you'll get a much better understanding of the market. You probably, like you mentioned in FAG, you probably already have a little bit of understanding about price action, but like it's quite simple, you know. It's really not too complicated. I can kind of show you on stream here if you want. Want me to show you? So it's really basic, man. So it's the market's moved. Oh, let me put this on the 15-minute. So it's, yeah. So the market's moved like this, right? So say this is a 4-hour chart. So all you're really trying to do is get involved in these areas on the 4-hour, right? So in these areas, when the price is coming down, you're looking at the 15-minute. or a smaller time frame. The price is coming down. And all you're looking for is this for entry. And you're trying to capitalize on this move on the 4 hour. Does that make sense? It's kind of fucked up. Does that make sense? So like the price is moving down like this on the 15-minute. And then you have a gain. It's the area that you're interested in. So this is the small time frame. And then the large time frame would look like this. Right? So all you want to do is mark out your areas of interest on the high time frame, you know, and capitalize. So if this is the area that you're interested in, you want to look for a setup like this when the price is in this area on the high time frame, and you want to capitalize on the high time frame move from here to here. Now, if you want to throw FAGs in the game, you can, to make your strategy even more profitable. When you're looking for a gain, like when you're looking for this to gain, it should make an FAG. So it should leave a gap. If it doesn't leave a gap, then this is they're testing this on the way up, so it's not as strong. It's much about untested levels. You need to look into untested levels and find out what an untested level is. Like when they're honestly, I don't trade ETH that much, Jay. Oh, yeah, I don't. Really, I don't. I know BDP told me to do the exact same thing. But I never have. I just never have. YM was perfect today, though. This is why this was my YM chart that I was looking at today. You know what I mean? Like it was fucking perfect. You know, look at it. Look at that. You know. Can't get much better than that. Perfect sell off, new 4 hour low. Boom. You know what I mean? That's what you're looking for, man. Inside 4 hour failure. And they had a 4 hour failure at the top too here. You know what I mean? So it's like failure. I got this short yesterday. So like it's just been a banger. Yeah, I know. I shorted yesterday too, man. I had a short on yesterday. Yesterday, what did we make here yesterday? It was not tons. I only have one account going right now. I used to have 3, but then I took a payout and then I blew them up. Yeah, man, I took like a 17K payout and then I blew up the accounts for like the week after. I always put it in the man. You should start putting your profits in the thing here, man. In the trade results. I always put mine. Yesterday was 553. Today was 554. post your shit in here, man, for people to see. Honestly, like I think some people don't believe that what's going on, you know what I mean? They're just like, oh yeah, right, you know? Just do me a favor and post your fucking results in there, man. That's all you need to do. Is just take a screenshot at the end of the day and post it in here. I'm the only one doing it. Me, and then I got Rubus to put it in there yesterday. Like, fuck, man. Like when the new people come here, they're not going to believe what's going on, you know? It's pretty funny. I'm not even trying to fucking sell anything, you know? I'm just giving all this shit away for free, man. It's so funny. Really. Yeah, Slavic, and it takes a little while. But honestly, as long as you find someone good that knows what they're doing, man, that's the main thing. But for me, my trading journey, the first like 3 years or 4 years, I was just learning all the wrong information. Unable to accept invite. What? Really? Oh yeah. Let me post a new invite link. It's because we did a full like security overhaul on the Discord server. Too many people were getting scammed. See if that invite works. There was people getting scammed all over the place, you know? You just need to go in there and you need to click verify. In here, click verify. And then you won't be able to post for 10 minutes. I had to put all the security measures in because it's like, fuck, man. All these people were just getting messages. Same result. What? What's your Discord name, man? Jay Smith. Just give me 1 second, dear Jay. Thanks for letting me know because I don't want this to happen to everybody. Nah. Nah, you're not in here. Were you banned? I don't think I would have banned you. I don't ban too many people from the Discord. Oh well. Yeah, there's people that are joining. Someone just joined yesterday. Yeah, that link works. Not sure what's going on with your Discord, bro. I can check to see if you were banned. How do I do that? Yeah, I don't know. Cool. Well, that's going to be the stream for today anyway. Your new guys, make sure you check out the Discord. If you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to tag me in there. I'm happy to help you guys, man. I know when you're first starting trading, it's a bit hard, but stick with it. It is possible, you know. But you do have to have perseverance, and don't trade big when you're starting. Trade small. It'll be better for your wallet when you trade small, because you're gonna lose at first. Everybody does. It's just the way it works. Honestly, when I first started trading, I was a losing trader for 3 years. I lost almost $30,000. But now I make $550 a day, around. Sometimes more, sometimes a bit less. Sometimes I lose $200 though too. So the win rate is not too bad. It's at it's always around 70%. Yeah, Slavic, it was rough, man. And I was at a place in my life where I couldn't afford to lose 30 grand. You know what I mean? So a little rough. A little bit rough. But it's all well and good now. Now it doesn't matter. Now we're just banking money for another villa, you know what I mean? So it really doesn't matter at all. But at the time, I thought I was fucked, you know what I mean? I was like, I had no money. I had no, all I was doing was going to work and putting all my money into trading. Like, it was bad. Yeah, I did work to get the capital. I was lucky though. It started turning around I bought Bitcoin early, right? So I was lucky in that regard. Like I first started buying Bitcoin at $300. So I was lucky. How long have I been trading? 15 years, I'd say. Something like that. I haven't really added it up, but yeah, something like 15 years. The best thing you guys can do, really, like you new guys, is just go to the YouTube channel or go to the Discord and watch all the training videos there. It's not that long. Each video is like 5 minutes, man, but it gives you breakdowns of like what you should be looking for entries and stuff like that, and how to just basic concepts on how to trade. Yeah, it's not in there. It's in the YouTube channel. It's on that links page that I gave you earlier. Blind snipes. Sorry, I don't have the Discord set up too good. It's on that mainline trades LinkedIn. You can find you can find the Discord there, and then everything's on the Discord. But yeah, that's what I would do if I was new. And then once you're confident, start trading Apex. No, I don't sell a training course, man. I give it away for free, bro. Anybody selling you a training course doesn't know how to trade, man. I'm telling you. The people who know how to trade don't give a shit because they're making tons of money, so they don't care. I couldn't be bothered to set up a course and like, you know, I don't know, man. It's not like, really, I wouldn't understand why someone would sell a course if they know how to trade. 95% of them are fucking scams. They're not good. They're not traders, man. Those people don't know how to trade. The people selling you courses, no, they don't. I'm telling you, like at a 95% chance that course is not good. The only course that is good, and I've taken many. I've probably spent about $5,000 on courses. The only course that is really good is Trade Sumo's course. I'm affiliated with him. He's on the links the main, whatever it's called, the link tree page. He's also in the Discord under the partners. But honestly, his course is expensive. But honestly, you could figure this shit out just coming to the fucking stream. You just need to keep coming to the stream and ask questions and watch what we're doing and ask why we're doing it. Even if you take a course, the hard part about trading, man, is not fucking learning the shit. Any fucking monkey can learn price action. Really. It's not difficult. The hard part about trading is the emotional shit attached to it. And the only way to get over that emotional shit, because like you get emotional because money is involved, right? So like you get emotional about it. So the only way to get over that shit is by putting in screen time and taking your hits and learning from your mistakes and doing it different next time. And you'll probably won't do it different next time still. You know what I mean? You'll probably fuck it up for another year or whatever, but that's the only way to get through to get over that hump. Any monkey can learn price action, man. Really, it's not difficult, man. It's really simple. It's stupid simple. But the hard part is having confidence in what you're doing and letting your, holding on your trades. Even me, like I'm making around $500 a day. I'm not even that good of a trader. Really, I'm not, man. There's way better traders than I am. You know what I mean? I'm just pretty modest and I just don't care about like making 10 grand a day or whatever the fuck. I'm happy making my $500 a day. And, I live in Bali. It's fine. I have a bunch of villas here. It's all good. Yeah, that's really the way I do it, man, is I only trade. This is already late for me. I only come to the market for the open. Today I came early because there was news, so I came early. But you should only be trading from 8:30 a.m. until like until 11, and then that's it. That's for day trading, like if you're trading the futures. If I'm taking a trade, how long am I staying? Like how long am I staying in the trade? Depends what type of trade it is, right? This platform you're looking at, I'm trading Apex, right? I'm trading futures funded. So I can only be in the trade for the day. So I have to get out of the trade. So I have to keep that in my mind, right? When I enter the trade, I can only be in this for the day. I don't have time to like fuck around here and wait for this to go up and down. That's why I get out of the position a lot on the first move, because I don't have the luxury of just holding the trade forever. But depends on the trade and depends on what kind of what you're playing, right? So like on Bitcoin, I said that this is going down here, right? At the start of the day. On Bitcoin, this is a 4-hour continuation. So you want to take the trade here, and then you want to close the trade here. Not close it, but you want to take big PTs, and then you want to look and see what's going on over here. Is this stuff untested? Oh yeah, there is an untested 4-hour here. So this is going to bounce. So you definitely need to take the majority of your position out, because there's a good chance that this is going to bounce back up. And if you want to get back in, you can. You know what I mean? But you need to be looking for untested levels too, right? So it all depends on like what's going on in the chart and how active you want to be trading. Like, are you trading on the 4-hour? Are you trading on the daily? If you're trading on the daily, this was a daily continuation down, right? They failed this daily. So they failed that daily. This is a daily continuation down. So this should go down here. But they still could test the top of this too. they still could test the top of that. One minute? You should never trade on the 1 minute, man. I use 1 minutes, like I use when I'm looking at this chart. So this is the YM. The trade idea is coming off the 4-hour chart up here. This is the 1 hour chart. This is the 5 minute, and this is the 1 minute. I use the 1 minute just for entry. You know, I only use it for entry. So when the price was up here, and it lost the 1 minute, I entered. Right? When it lost the 1 minute here, I entered. And then I took PTs, re-entry, took PTs. The commission, there's commission for I'm talking to Blind now on Kick. The commission for crypto is not too bad. It depends on where you trade, right? And it depends what trade big means. It's a relative term, right? You know, a $50 stop loss is big for some people. A $500 stop loss is big for some people. Kraken, that's one of the worst ones though. I think Bybit's a bit better. But like, you shouldn't be like, honestly, man, you shouldn't day trade crypto, man. If you want to day trade, so if you're not day trading and you're not in and out of the trades like lots, then the commissions don't matter. Like if you're trading the 4-hour swings or you're trading the daily swings, the commissions don't matter that much. Because your target's far away. If you're trying to day trade the crypto, you're doing it wrong. You should day trade you should day trade the futures where the commissions are dirt cheap. Like it's all the same, right? I took a trade on Bitcoin today. Like I shorted this here, right? I shorted this here earlier. Yeah, sorry, Yo-Yo, my camera broke. I don't know what happened. My camera broke today. I'd have to restart the stream to fix it, and then so I can't. So I don't know. I didn't want to restart the stream. Yeah, but if you're looking to day trade, then you should look at the futures to do it. Just because, it's all the same shit, man. Like it's all just charts. I took a trade on Bitcoin today. I took a trade on Russell today, and I took a trade on YM today. All short. This was the YM short here. But it's all the same, mate. It doesn't matter if it's crypto. I know a lot of people want to trade crypto, but I just don't understand why. There's more setups in the futures. If you're I mean, I started on crypto too, but then as soon as you realize how many setups there are in the futures for trading, it's much better. It's much better for you. Hey, babe. Okay, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna call it here today. Do you guys have any questions about charts or anything you want me to look up? Like I said, remember to sign up for that Discord, man. There's a lot of functionality coming to this thing. There's signals for days, man. And there's going to be crypto signals too. So if you like crypto, there's going to be tons of crypto signals in here soon. I just finished coding. I'm waiting for more compute for the bot. But yeah, like there's right now there's signals for days, and they're good. Can I look at ETH? ETH's probably going to do the same thing as Bitcoin, go down. But let me check. Sure. So ETH on a daily failure. Yeah, on a daily failure, close the daily below. Retests, took liquidity. Yeah, this is, and then had another inside daily failure, rejected hard. So I would think that they're gonna start moving this down. This is basically tested too, this swing. So it's starting to look a little rough here for this is a continuation down on the daily right here. So they're just continuing the daily down, right? And this is also the move that made this high. Yeah. It's the weekly move or the monthly move. I think it's the monthly. Let me just see the weekly move here. Yeah, it's the weekly move that made this swing high. So it's a weekly continuation down. They did gain this weekly on the way up, but they tested it. See, they tested it here. So it's weak. The next thing down, I would say, is like this weekly, but honestly, even that is tested on the way out, man. It's not even that, it's this. And honestly, all this is inside too, so I don't you know, I really think that this is headed much lower. This is all tested on the 4 hour. The next 4 hour untested is this here. So this would be an area to be looking out for. The liquidity underneath this 4 hour. Yeah, that's what I would kind of watch out for this level. If you're a bull, you don't want them to lose that. You want them to hold that, but it's not looking very good for them to hold that. Yeah, this around 18, just under 18. ETF? No, I trade the ES, right? It's the same shit. ES is what I trade. So this is the same as the SPY. It moves the exact same as the SPY. Problem with ETFs is there's spreads, right? So this one doesn't have spread. So the main markets are ES, Russell, NQ, and YM. I trade the micros on those. Okay, guys, I'm going to leave it there for today. If you guys have any questions, like I said, sign up for the Discord. You new guys, if you have questions, just post it in the Discord. I'm happy to help you out, man, and answer whatever you guys want. It's fine. But just sign up for the Discord and then post in general chat or community chat. And then we can go from there. Most of the people are on Twitch. I know there was a few people that signed up here on Kick. Most of the people are on Twitch. So if you want to come over there and join in the conversation, I will. I used to have the conversations going up on the screen, so I don't know what happened with that. I have to fix that. I'm going to do a little bit of a stream overhaul. So it's coming. It's just I've been a little bit busy. All right. So we'll keep it with that. You guys have a great day. Peace.
Right.